In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find shared designs in Canva. If you've ever lost track of a design someone sent you, this quick workflow will help you instantly pull up everything that's been shared with you, without digging through folders or searching by guesswork. Start on your main Canva dashboard, the home screen you see right after logging in. From here, look to the left side of the screen and click on Projects. This is the central hub for all your design files, including your own drafts, team items, and anything that others have shared with you. Once you're inside Projects, you'll notice a set of filters that help narrow down what you see. These filters typically include Type, Category, Owner, and Date Modified. They're there to help you zero in on exactly the content you want. For finding shared content specifically, the Owner filter is the key. Click on Owner to open its options. You'll see different ownership categories, and the one you want is Shared with You. Select Shared with You, and Canva will refresh the view to show only the designs and folders that others have shared directly with your account. That's it. Everything on the screen now reflects items you can access because they were shared with you, rather than designs you created yourself. From here, you can open any design to start editing or reviewing, or simply preview thumbnails to confirm what you're looking for. If you see a long list, you can still use other filters, like Type to limit it to presentations, social posts, or videos, or use Date Modified to bring the most recent items to the top. This doesn't add extra steps. It just helps you quickly organize what's already on the Shared with You list. If something you expect to see isn't showing up, a couple of quick checks can help. Make sure you're on the right account or team if you have multiple workspaces, as shared items are tied to the specific workspace they were shared with. Also, give the page a moment to refresh if the share just happened, since it can take a few seconds to appear. To recap, go to your dashboard, open Projects from the left sidebar, click the Owner filter, and choose Shared with You. Now you have a clean, filtered view of every design that's been shared with your account, ready for review or collaboration.